When it comes to home improvement, windows are often overlooked, but they play a crucial role in your home's overall aesthetic, energy efficiency, and comfort. Windows Severn is here to guide you through the process of selecting the perfect windows for your home. Whether you're building a new home or replacing old windows, this guide will walk you through the key factors to consider when choosing the best windows to suit your needs and enhance your living space. Understanding your window options. Windows come in various types, designs, and materials. The first step in choosing the right window for your home is to familiarize yourself with the different options available. Here are the most common types of windows. Casement windows. Casement windows are hinged on the side and open outward, much like a door. They are ideal for hard-to-reach areas, such as above sinks, and provide excellent ventilation due to their full opening. These windows are energy efficient because they create a tight seal when closed. Double-hung windows. Double-hung windows feature two sashes that slide vertically. The versatility of double-hung windows lies in their ability to open both at the top and the bottom, which increases airflow and makes cleaning much easier. These are a popular choice for both traditional and modern homes. Sliding windows. Sliding windows operate by sliding horizontally along a track. They are an excellent option for wider openings, offering unobstructed views. These windows are easy to maintain, and their design is simple, making them a great fit for contemporary homes. Bay or bow windows. Bay and bow windows project outward from the home, adding both aesthetic value and additional space. These windows typically consist of 3 or more connected windows, creating a beautiful focal point and bringing in more natural light. Picture windows. If you want a window that provides an unobstructed view and maximizes natural light, picture windows are a great choice. They do not open but can be paired with other window types for better ventilation. Choosing the right material. The material of your windows can affect not only their appearance but also their performance and durability. Here are the most common window materials. Wood. Wooden windows have a classic, elegant look and offer natural insulation, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. They are highly customizable but require regular maintenance to prevent rot and decay. Vinyl windows are low maintenance and highly energy efficient. They are resistant to weathering, making them ideal for homes in harsh climates. Vinyl windows are available in a wide variety of colors and styles and typically come at a lower price point than wood windows. Aluminum windows are known for their strength and durability. They have a modern, sleek look and are resistant to rust and corrosion. However, aluminum windows are not as energy efficient as vinyl or wood options and may require additional insulation. Fiberglass. Fiberglass windows are incredibly durable and offer excellent energy efficiency. They are resistant to temperature fluctuations, making them ideal for homes in areas with extreme climates. Fiberglass is also a low-maintenance material that doesn't expand or contract like other materials. Energy efficiency. A top priority when selecting windows for your home, energy efficiency should be one of your top priorities. Energy-efficient windows help regulate your home's temperature, reduce heating and cooling costs, and improve your overall comfort. Look for windows with the following features: low E glass, low emissivity. Low E glass is coated with a thin layer of metallic oxide that reflects heat back into the room during the winter and blocks heat from entering during the summer. This reduces the strain on your HVAC system and helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Gas fills. Many modern windows are filled with gas, such as argon or krypton, which act as insulation between the panes of glass. These gas fills improve the window's thermal performance, reducing heat loss or gain. Multiple panes, double-glazed and triple-glazed windows have multiple panes of glass, which offer enhanced insulation compared to single-pane windows. The additional layers trap air between the panes, improving your home's energy efficiency. Choosing the right style for your home. The style of your windows should complement your home's architectural design and enhance its curb appeal. For traditional homes, wooden windows or double-hung windows work well. For more modern homes, clean lines and sleek sliding or casement windows may be a better fit. Bay windows or bow windows can add a touch of elegance and provide a stunning focal point for your home's exterior. Professional installation for the best results. Once you've selected your ideal windows, it's important to have them professionally installed to ensure optimal performance. Poor installation can lead to air leaks, water infiltration, and reduced energy efficiency. A professional installer will make sure your windows are properly sealed and aligned, maximizing their lifespan and effectiveness. Conclusion. Choosing the right windows for your home is a significant investment that can enhance your home's appearance, improve energy efficiency, and increase overall comfort. By considering your window style, material, energy efficiency features, and the climate you live in, you can make an informed decision that suits both your functional needs and aesthetic preferences. With the guidance of Windows Severn, you're one step closer to finding the perfect windows to elevate your home.